Welcome back. I have painted this with oxide. This is the big complicated ring I was making and I think it's a lot better. The definition is just great when you darken the depth, so there you go. I just thought it was worth showing you, considering the labour that went into it, to show you at its best, and I think that is its best. So, welcome to my workbench. Here we are working on some other bits and pieces. Very interesting stone I got. Looks like a Japanese landscape. And just about to finish this big pendant off. This is quite a big piece. I'm going to finish this guy off. I had a stone in there that I didn't like, so I'm going to probably put that in. That's a bit of alpaca that I've domed up, planished. Looks a lot nicer. That's a belt buckle. Un grande hebilla. So on we go. Bye bye.